Defining a country by its geographic borders and dirt ignores the invisible, living essence that survives long after those maps dissolve into smoke. This vintage map demonstrates the standard clinical approach. It locks identity into rigid, color-coded provinces and precise scales of miles. The poet Subramanya Bharati viewed this political definition as incomplete. He sought to define Bharat as a continuous, breathing civilization. His poem, Bharat Our Land, grounds the nation in what he calls hoary antiquity, a deeply rooted, ancient time frame stretching far beyond modern administration. To capture this vast identity, Bharati constructs the nation upon three distinct pillars: natural beauty, spiritual heritage, and historical greatness. Understanding the poem's cultural weight requires dismantling these three pillars to see how Bharati weaves physical geography together with an intangible spirit. The definition begins at the highest points of elevation, focusing first on the physical landscape. Bharati points to the mighty Himavant, or the Himalayas. He describes these snow-capped peaks as an unparalleled earthly protector. Tracking downward from those peaks, we reach the generous Ganga River and the golden wheat stalks dominating the foreground. This use of personification, assigning human traits like grace and generosity to water, elevates the river from a resource into an active caretaker. Bharati proves that the nation's geological features are living participants in the civilization, rather than a passive environment. From there, the poem's focus turns inward, shifting from physical harvests to the realm of pure intellect and philosophy. The call-out bubble in this illustration highlights the sacred Upanishads. These texts form the basis of Brahma knowledge, the philosophical pursuit of ultimate reality. Bharati argues that India's peerless status is rooted in its role as the birthplace of these profound global philosophies. He also includes the Buddha preaching his Dhamma, weaving different spiritual traditions into a single, unified heritage. This second pillar measures the nation's greatness by the timeless ideas it has planted in the human mind. The final pillar introduces the human element, acting as the bridge between the physical mountains and the ethereal scriptures. This human history has a dual nature, starting with the gallant warriors who physically defended the geographical space. Look at the intricate detail in this ancient stone carving. It stands as evidence of the spiritual sages who have sanctified the land through their continuous presence. Human creations, specifically divinest music, represent the ultimate synthesis of nature and spirit. History here is a record of auspicious human deeds that render the physical landscape holy. These three pillars support the poem's central, active refrain, "She's peerless, let's praise her." This praise is a calculated reverence, justified by the landscape, thought, and history in the text. This civilization has survived into hoary antiquity because its identity is a woven tapestry of the earth and the people upon it. A nation's true essence thrives within the ancient, ongoing conversation between its earth, its people, and its philosophy.